Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Hollabec and I was just on Pinterest looking around at different delicious recipes and I found one that looked really good. It looked really healthy, so I wanted to try it with you guys today. So we are going to be attempting to make a chocolate chia seed pudding. It only takes 6 ingredients and it's literally all going to be made inside my food processor. And then we're going to let it chill and then we're going to try it. So let's just get started. So we're going to start first with a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Next we're going to need 6 tablespoons of chia seeds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Ooh, it smells so good. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We'll need 1/4 cup of maple syrup to help sweeten it. That smells so good. And finally, we're going to need just a small dash of salt. Now we're just going to mix it all up. It smells really good, but it's still so liquidy. I'm a little worried about that because the video showed it being a lot thicker, but maybe we still have to let it sit. So I'm going to pour this in a separate dish. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge and we're going to see after it sits for about an hour. Wish me luck, guys. It has now been an hour and here is the chocolate chia pudding. And it sat quite a bit already just in that hour. I think it could probably sit up more, but it's at least set enough for me to try it. So I'm going to do that now. I will say it smells absolutely amazing. Cheers! This is actually really good. It's super duper chocolatey, and then the chia seeds give it a really fun texture. That's delicious. Alright guys, but that was all that I had to share with you today. I know, short video. What can I say? I'm efficient. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I really hope you leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. They make me so happy. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel because I have a really big goal to hit by the end of the year and you guys can help with that. So subscribe. Help me get closer. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around.